Fade away age spots with nature's touch. Welcome to our journey into the world of natural remedies for age spots. These small, dark areas on the skin can appear as we age, but nature offers us ways to diminish their appearance. Lemon juice is nature's bleach and can be a powerful ally. Its acidic properties help to lighten age spots. Simply apply fresh lemon juice directly to the spots and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Aloe, known for its healing properties, is also effective. Applying aloe vera gel to your age spots twice daily can help fade them. Plus, it's incredibly soothing and hydrating for your skin. Buttermilk contains lactic acid, which can help to exfoliate and lighten the skin, reducing age spots. Apply buttermilk directly to the spots or mix it with honey for an extra nourishing treatment. Castor oil is another excellent remedy. Rich in fatty acids, it helps to promote the growth of healthy skin tissue. Apply it to your age spots in the morning and evening, massaging it gently. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Dab a green tea bag on your age spots for a few minutes daily. Its compounds can help to lighten the spots and improve your skin's overall appearance. Apple cider vinegar, a versatile kitchen staple, can also address age spots. Mix it with equal parts of water and apply to the spots with a cotton ball. It's a powerful exfoliant and skin brightener. Cucumber is not just for your eyes. Its cooling effect and skin lightening properties can help fade age spots. Apply cucumber slices or juice directly to the affected areas for best results. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and skin lightening properties. Make a paste with turmeric and water and apply to your age spots. It works wonders by reducing melanin production. Yogurt is another gentle but effective option. The lactic acid helps with skin renewal. Apply plain yogurt directly to your age spots, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse off. Red onion acts as a natural skin lightener, thanks to its sulfur content. Rub a slice of red onion on the spots once a day. The juice is potent, so a little goes a long way. Lastly, don't forget the power of prevention. Protect your skin from further damage by applying sunscreen every day. A broad-spectrum SPF of 30 or higher can help prevent new age spots from forming. Embracing these natural remedies can lead to noticeable improvements. Remember, consistency is key. Choose one or two remedies that resonate with you and give them time to work. Here's to healthier, more radiant skin.